Okay, problem number 9. It says one wall inside a shoe store is used to display walking shoes and running shoes. So I know already that we're going to be talking about two different things. We're going to be talking about walking shoes and we're going to be talking about running shoes. There are 150 pair of shoes in display. That means total. So if I use X for walking and Y for running, then I can say that X plus Y, because it's in total, equals 150 shoes, pairs. Okay? So if I add my walking shoes plus my running shoes, I have 150 of them. Okay? So before I do anything else, if I look at the answer choices, I can have 90 pairs of walking shoes and 60 pairs of running shoes. When I add those two, does it give me 160? Yes, 90 plus 60 equals 150, okay? Same thing right here. If I have 50 walking and 90 running, when I add those two, 60 plus 90 equals 150, okay? Same thing right here, 50 plus 100, well, yes, 50 plus 100, that's 150, okay? And down here, 100 plus 50, check, because 100 plus 50 equals 150. Okay, so far, all of my answer choices could work, okay? Then we're going to read the next piece of information. It said, there are 2 times as many pair of walking shoes as there are of running shoes on display. Now, that one sounds a little tricky, okay? So I want you to think, what do they have more of? It says it has twice as many walking shoes as there are running shoes on display. So that means they have more walking shoes than running shoes. More walking shoes. Okay, how many more walking shoes? 2 times as many. So double. They have double the walking shoes than the running shoes. So if you look at the answer choices, okay, they have more walking shoes than running shoes. Okay, more walking shoes than running shoes. This is not correct. Okay, because there needs to be more. Tiene que haber más walking shoes than running shoes. This one says 50 walking shoes, 100 running shoes. No. It needs to have more walking shoes. 100 walking shoes and 50 running shoes? Yes. Now, it says double, right? 2 times. That means double. So which one of these is double? ¿Cuál es el doble? Which one's double? Okay? And that's going to be your answer. So make sure that you think about that. Which one of these two is double? So it's not B and it's not C. So A and D are the last ones. Which one is double? 2 times the other. Okay? Answer the question in Schoology.